We get really focused into the particular airframe that we work on. Coming to the maintenance competition, it's good to see what skills others are focusing on and maybe pick up new skills as well and see what we can be doing better for things that we don't normally do. The networking we do here at the Aerospace Maintenance Competition, I think there was over 90 different teams. So that's 90 different teams that have different methods that they use to attack a problem. And if we can pick one thing from each of those, the interactions that we have here, then we may be able to drastically change the way we do business and just increase efficiency with every step that we can pick up. Learning from others never hurts. We may be something that we may think we're absolutely great at. Somebody may have found a different approach to that problem, and we can take that back and try to implement that in the way we do our operations as well.